Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 20G from chapter Cylinder, Cone and Sphere. So starting with question number 7, an iron pole consisting of a cylindrical portion 110 cm high and base diameter 12 cm is surmounted by a cone 9 cm high. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 cm cube of iron has 8 gram of mass approximately and take pi equal to 355 upon 130. So there is an iron pole which has some cylindrical part as well as a conical part. Okay, and what we are supposed to find is the mass of the pole. Okay, given that 1 centimeter cube of iron, 1 centimeter cube बोला गया है, that means we have to find the volume. Okay, volume को ही mass से relate कर पाएंगे. Okay, 1 centimeter cube of iron has 8 grams of mass, so that means we have to find the volume of the pole over here. Okay, so volume find करके ही फिर mass find कर पाएंगे. So to find the volume, let us check what all details we are given. There is an iron pole, okay, which has cylindrical portion 110 centimeter high and base diameter भी बोला गया, that is 12 centimeter. So there is this pole, okay, cylindrical pole, which is 110 centimeter high. So h is 110 centimeter. Now there is conical part as well, so for this I am taking capital H. Okay, and diameter is 12 centimeters. ठीक है, so D is 12 centimeters, तो R मिल जाएगा, that is 6 centimeters. It is surmounted by a cone. Surmounted means cone is mounted on top of it, placed on top of it. ठीक है, so cone is 9 centimeters. ठीक है, कोन का हाइट बोला गया है 9 सेंटीमीटर हाई, सो इसका हाइट बोला गया है, दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर हाइट h बोला गया है 9 सेंटीमीटर्स. नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इसका भी जो डायमीटर है इट इज इक्वल टू द डायमीटर ऑफ द पोल. ओके, बिकॉज पोल के ऊपर प्लेस किया गया है, सो ऑब्वियसली the area of the cone should coincide with the area of the base of the cylinder. Okay, so इसका area and इसका area same तभी होगा when इसका radius same होगा. Okay, so radius of the base of this cylinder is equal to the radius of the base of the cone. So R is same over here, that is D is same over here. ठीक है, so D over here is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, that means R is equal to 6 centimeters. So we have all the information for the cone. We have R and H. We can easily find the volume of the cone over here. Okay, also the volume of the cylinder we can find easily. We know R and H over here also. ठीक है, so using the formulae we can find the volume of cone as well as the volume of the cylinder. Volume of cone plus volume of cylinder will give you the volume of the pole. Okay, and once you find the volume of the pole, finding the mass of the pole is very very easy. Okay, so we'll write down the given now. Now for the cylindrical part of the pole, okay, let the diameter, radius and height be capital D, capital R and capital H respectively. Same thing for this one, you have to write down the statements over here. ठीक है, so for the conical part of the pole, let the diameter, radius and height be small d, small r and small h respectively, and what we are given over here, we are given the height and the diameter. Okay, so h is 110 centimeter and d is 12 centimeters, therefore r is equal to 6 centimeters. For the cone, the diameter is same as that of the cylindrical part. Okay, so we have to write down. So for the conical part, the diameter of base of the cone is same as that of the base of cylindrical part. Therefore इसका डायमीटर क्या हो जाएगा, स्मॉल d है इसके लिए, ठीक है. Therefore small d will be equal to 12 centimeter, same as that of the diameter of cylindrical part. Therefore r क्या हो जाएगा, 6 centimeters, and we are given the height of the cone. Okay, so h बोला गया है 9 centimeters. Now we have all the information. We can easily find the volume of the pole. Okay, so we'll write down volume of the pole. Don't use short forms. Okay, is equal to volume of the cylindrical part plus volume of the conical part. Now we just have to substitute the formulae. Okay, so this will be pi r square h, and this is 1 by 3 pi r square h, small r square and small h. So now we'll substitute the values. So volume of the pole is, taking common first. Okay, so common में there is only pi common. Okay, so I'll take pi common, and inside the bracket we have r square h plus 1 by 3 small r square small h. So pi over here is 355 upon 113. Don't forget. Okay, read the question carefully. Always read the question. Okay, and write down all the given information. So over here notice carefully, pi का value क्या लेना है, r, capital R over here is 6, even small r is 6 over here. Okay, into h is 110. Now coming to the conical part, so 1 by 3 into this r is 6, h बोला गया है 9. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, so 355 upon 113 into 6 into 6 into 110 plus 6 into 6 into 3. So what I'll do over here is I'll take 6 common over here. ठीक है, that is 36 common ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, so what we are left with is 36 into 110 plus 36 into 3. 36 मैं common ले लेती हूँ. I don't want such big numbers. If anything is getting cancelled over here, let us cancel out. 355 upon 113 into 36 common ले लिया. Okay, 110 plus 13, sorry 3. Okay, 3 बचा है यहाँ पे. So that is nothing but 355 upon 113 into 36 into 113. So 113 cancel हो गया. Okay, काफ़ी easy हो गया. If we would have multiplied and then added, okay, so it would become little difficult. Then even cancellation would be difficult. So instead try to take out as much common as possible. Okay, now 355 into 36. So this gives 12780 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the pole. Now we have to find the mass of the pole. Now coming to the mass of the pole, we are given 1 centimeter cube of iron has 8 grams of mass. Okay, so how many centimeter cube is how many grams? Let us check. 1 centimeter cube is 8 grams. How much centimeter cube is the pole? It is 12780. So how many grams? Let it be x, cross multiply. So 1 into x gives x, which is equal to 8 into 12780. Okay, so let x be the mass of the pole. Okay, or directly you can just find out mass of 1 centimeter cube of iron is 8 grams. Okay, so mass of the pole, okay, mass of the iron pole is 8 into 12780 grams. ठीक है, so this will give 1022240 grams. Okay, now you can keep this in grams और you can find it in kilograms. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बोला नहीं गया है you have to find it in grams or in kilograms, so you can keep it in grams also. Okay, this can be your final answer, or you can convert it to kilograms. If you convert to kilograms, you have to divide by 1000. So 1022240 divided by 1000, तो shift हो जाएगा. ठीक है, decimal लग जाएगा. So after 3 numbers, तो 102.24 kilograms. So you can keep it in terms of grams or 102.24 kilograms. So be careful, if you are given in question that kilogram में find करना है, then it is necessary to find it in kilograms. Okay, so read the question carefully. Even this is okay. So final statement लिखना पड़ेगा. Mass of the iron pole is 1022240 grams or 102.24 kilograms. Let's read the next question. Question number 8. In the following diagram, a rectangular platform with a semicircular end on one side is 22 meters long from one end to the other end. If the length of the half circumference is 11 meters, find the cost of constructing the platform 1.5 meters high at the rate of rupees 4 per cubic meters. So you are given this diagram in the textbook. Okay, this one left wala. There is a rectangular platform with semicircular end on one side. Rectangular है एक side से, and on the other end it is semicircular. Okay, it is 22 meters long from one end to the other end. 22 meters long from this end to this end. Okay, this to this. Okay, ये पूरा 22 meters है. If the length of the half circumference is 11 meters, हाफ सर्कमफरेंस का लेंथ बताया गया है. दिस इज हाफ सर्कमफरेंस बिकॉज दिस इज हाफ ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, दिस इज सेमी सर्कल, मतलब इट इज हाफ सर्कल. तो ये जो सर्कमफरेंस है, दिस इज हाफ सर्कमफरेंस. ठीक है, सो ये जो मैंने ब्लैक कर दिया ये पोर्शन, दिस इज 11 मीटर्स. ये सर्कमफरेंस 11 मीटर्स है. ठीक है, सो इफ वी नो द सर्कमफरेंस वी कैन ईजिली फाइंड द रेडियस. ओके, इट बिकम्स वेरी ईजी. सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द प्लेटफॉर्म 1.5 meter high at the rate of rupees 4 per cubic meters. So the platform from the top appears like this, but it is actually like this. ठीक है, प्लेटफॉर्म का कुछ थिकनेस बताया गया है. इट इज़ 1.5 meters हाई. दैट इज़ ये जो बताया गया है. ठीक है, ये दिस इज़ 1.5 meters. ठीक है, ये प्लेटफॉर्म का थिकनेस बताया गया है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट. सो फॉर कॉस्ट, okay, we need to know the volume of the platform. You have to find the volume. So area नहीं फाइंड करना है, यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है. हिंट दिया गया है ₹4 पर क्यूबिक मीटर्स. क्यूबिक कब आता है? जब वॉल्यूम होता है. ओके, तो वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है हम लोग को ये केस में. इट्स वेरी ईजी. ओके, सो बिफोर दैट we have to find the area first, okay, and multiply it with this height. Why we are multiplying it with this height? Because that is going to give you the volume of the platform. Volume of platform क्या हो जाएगा? This whole area, okay, into its height, बराबर? That is going to give you the volume of the platform, because this area is spread out till this much height. ठीक है, 1.5 मीटर्स तक यही एरिया है उसका. सो दैट एरिया थ्रू आउट यू आर एडिंग, ओके, 1.5 मीटर्स तक. सो 1.5 meters into the area of this rectangular part plus area of this semicircular part is going to give you the volume of the platform. ओके, तो इसका एरिया फाइंड करना है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द थिकनेस ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म, दैट इज द हाइट ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके, नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या करते हैं? ओके, सिंपल, इफ इट वुड हैव बीन अ रेक्टेंगल, ठीक है, तो व्हाट डू यू डू टू फाइंड द एरिया? इट इज लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ, ठीक है, दैट गिव्स यू द एरिया. नाउ इफ इट इज अ क्यूबॉइड, ठीक है ना, अगर ये क्यूबॉइड होगा ऐसे, तो व्हाट यू विल डू? रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक होगा तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाई दिस हाइट, यू मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस हाइट, ठीक है, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू दिस हाइट. दैट रेक्टेंगुलर पीस इज हाउ मच हाई मल्टीप्लाइड बाई the area of this rectangular part into that height. Okay, that will give you the volume of the cuboid or that rectangular block. Okay, so over here there is not just rectangular part, there is also semicircular part. So basically instead of rectangular there is a semicircular part extended over here. So this whole thing, इस whole thing का area multiplied by the height is going to give you the volume of the platform. ठीक है, ये whole area multiplied by the height. Okay, that is the thickness of the platform. So for that we need area of this. Now area के लिए हम लोग को क्या क्या details दिया हुआ है वो पहले देखते हैं. Now यहाँ पे I'm given 22 meters का length, but this 22 meters from here to here. Now we are not given the length and breadth of this rectangle. So how will we find the area of the rectangle? We can easily find the area of the semicircular part because we are given circumference. So circumference से radius मिल सकता है. Okay, so circumference is 11, C is equal to 11, that is 2 pi r नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, pi r आएगा, because this is the circumference of semicircle, that is half circle. Okay, so 2 pi r की जगह पे क्या होता है? pi r होता है, उसका half होगा. Okay, circumference. So pi r is equal to 11. So r is equal to 11 upon pi. So 11 into 7 upon 22. ठीक है, 22 upon 7 होता है, 7 न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा. 11 2s are, so that is nothing but 7 upon 2 meters है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो radius we got. Now carefully notice, यहाँ से ये इसका सेंटर हो गया, ठीक है, सर्कल का, सेमी सर्कल का. तो ये रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है, पूरा सब रेडियस है. करेक्ट. दिस यहाँ सेंटर पॉइंट से लेकर यहाँ तक सब रेडियस है. सो दिस मीन्स यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक दिस इज ऑल्सो रेडियस. ओके, सो दिस पार्ट इज 7 upon 2. ये लेंथ मुझे पता है, ठीक है, r is 7 upon 2 meters. Now this is 7 upon 2. I know this whole thing. 22 minus 7 upon 2 will give me length of this. Okay, 22 में से ये subtract करके I'll get length of this rectangle. So I can easily find length. Now coming to breadth of the rectangle. This is the diameter of the semicircle. डायमीटर ऑफ सेमीसर्कल इजीली पता चल जाएगा. रेडियस पता है तो डायमीटर इजीली मिल जाता है. रेडियस है 7/2, तो डायमीटर क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 7/2, दैट इज नथिंग बट 7. सो दिस इज 7. ओके, सो ये जो है दैट इज 7 meters. नाउ दिस ऑल्सो आई कैन ईजिली फाइंड. ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाएगा 22 माइनस 7 अपॉन 2. सो 22 माइनस 7 अपॉन 2, that is nothing but 44 minus 7 upon 2. Okay, that gives 37 upon 2 meters. So this is 37 upon 2 meters. So now it's easy. I can easily find area of the rectangle, I can easily find area of the circle. दोनों को add कर लो, that will give you the area of this portion. Okay, area of this portion into the height will give you the volume of the platform. Once you know the volume of the platform, it is easy to find the cost of constructing the platform. Okay, so let us write down the given information now. I have written down the information given in the question. You are given the length of the platform, the length of the whole platform, okay, that is 22 meters. And for semicircular portion of platform, the length of half circumference is 11 meters, that is C is equal to 11 meters. Okay, हाफ सर्कमफरेंस है, सॉरी, तो हाफ C हो जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ हाफ C इज इक्वल टू 11 meters, दैट इज 2 pi r अपॉन 2. ठीक है, सो we'll substitute. तो 2 pi r upon 2 is equal to 11 meters. That is pi r is equal to 11, जो हम लोग ने पहले सॉल्व किया था. ठीक है, सो r का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. r is equal to 11 upon pi, which is equal to 11 into 7 upon 22. So r is equal to 7 upon 2 meters. Therefore d is equal to 2 into 7 upon 2, that is 7 meters. Okay, so for semicircular portion we got the information that was required. Okay, now moving on to the rectangular portion of the platform. Okay, we have found the diameter. The diameter is this part. ठीक है, so this is 7 meters. And also the radius from the center to this part, it is going to be radius, so that is 7 by 2 meters. So subtracting 22 में से 7 by 2 I can find the length of the rectangular portion. Okay, so for the rectangular portion of the platform, okay, we have to find the length as well as breadth. So breadth of rectangular part is nothing but diameter of the semicircular part. I'm just drawing the symbol. ठीक है, full statement लिखना पड़ेगा. Diameter of the semicircular part. I've used short forms, don't use short forms. Okay, so breadth, that is B. Over here I have not taken small letters, capital letters, because one is semicircular, another one is rectangular. Rectangular में there is L and B. Okay, and over here we have R. Okay, so no letters are getting repeated. And for the height of the platform we are going to take H. Okay, so there is no need to number or take capital or small letters over here. Diameter of semicircular part is 7 meters. ठीक है, that is D is equal to 7 meters. So breadth we got. Now coming to length. So length of rectangular part, L is equal to 22. Okay, that is length of the platform minus the radius of the semicircular part. So length of the platform minus the radius of the semicircular part. Semicircular part लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, you cannot just draw. So 22 minus 7 upon 2 हो जाएगा. So length of the semicircular part is 22 minus 7/2 that is 44 minus 7/2. ठीक है, LCM लेना है. This gives 37/2 meters. So what all information did we get? We got r equal to 7/2 meters, we got length equal to 37/2 meters, and we got breadth equal to 7 meters. ठीक है, we have r and l and b. Now area find करना है हम लोग को. ओके, सो इसका एरिया इज l into b, इसका एरिया फाइंड करना है सेमी सर्क्यूलर का, सो दैट इज हाफ पाई r स्क्वायर. सो एरिया ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म is what? Area of the rectangular portion plus area of semicircular portion. Okay, area of rectangular portion is L into B. This is half pi r square. Okay, pi r square होता है area of the circle, so सेमी सर्कल है, सो पाई r स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 हो जाएगा. नाउ दिस इज एरिया. आई एम नॉट सब्सटीट्यूटिंग द वैल्यूज नाउ. माई एम इज नॉट टू फाइंड द एरिया, माई एम इज टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम. ओके, सो वॉल्यूम, it is not even to find the volume, our aim here is to find the cost. Okay, so volume of platform क्या हो जाएगा? This whole area into the height, जितना thickness है, so this area into the thickness, what is the height? It is 1.5 meters, so it is the height of the platform, okay, into the area of the platform. So height क्या है, यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा पहले. ओके, height of platform, always write down all the given information. I forgot to write that. initially ही लिखना है जब सब statements हम लोग लिख रहे थे, जब हम लोग ने circumference लिखा and this length लिखा, तभी height of platform लिख लेना है. okay, don't forget that. so height of platform, so this into, put brackets because यहाँ पे plus sign है, दो different terms है. okay, now we'll substitute the values. so 1.5 into L is what? 37/2. breadth दिया हुआ है, that is 7. this is 22/7. okay, into R is 7/2. R square है, into 2 डिनोमिनेटर में है, सो 2 मैं ऐसे लिख रही हूँ. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव एनी कन्फ्यूजन देन डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कर दो. ठीक है, ऐसे लिख सकते हो बिकॉज दिस होल थिंग डिवाइडेड बाई 2 है. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव एनी कन्फ्यूजन एंड देन रेसिप्रोकल करके 1/2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ वील सॉल्व दिस. ओके, सो ये कैंसिल हो रहा है, 2 11s, यहाँ पे कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म इज इक्वल टू 1.5 into 37 into 7/2. okay, 37 into 7, 37, 7 7s are 49, 7 3s are 21, 25 हो जाएगा. सो 259/2 है, प्लस यहाँ पे 11 into 7 है. ओके, दैट इज 77/4. नाउ यहाँ पे हम लोग LCM ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर. सो 259 into 2 मल्टीप्लाई 259/2. 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, 11, 2 2s are 4, 5. okay, so 518/4, that's 77/4, that is 1.5 into 518 plus 77 upon 4. So that is 1.5 into 518 plus 77. That is 595 upon 4. ठीक है. So 1.5 into 595 upon 4. I am not going to multiply this. Okay, I have to find the cost anyway. So हम लोग इसको as it is ही रखते हैं अभी के लिए. So if we were given in question कि volume find करना है and then cost, then we would have multiplied and find the volume of the platform. But over here we are not asked for the volume, we asked for the cost. So cost of constructing the platform is rupees 4 per cubic meters. So ये इतना मीटर क्यूब हो रहा है. ठीक है. So how much costing per cubic meters? So 1 मीटर क्यूब का 4 रुपीज़ है, तो इतने मीटर क्यूब का कितना होगा? सो दिस इज़ 1.5 इंटू 595 अपॉन 4. कितना होगा? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. ओके. सो x इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 1.5 इंटू 595 अपॉन 4. Okay, so eventually 4 is getting cancelled. So good thing that we did not multiply and divide. So let us find the costing now. So cost of 1 cubic meter of the material is rupees 4. So cost of material used for platform is nothing but 4 into volume of the platform. ठीक है. So 4 into 1.5 into 595 upon 4. 4 will get cancelled. 1.5 into 595. So multiplying we get 892.5 rupees. Okay. So final statement cost of the construction of platform is 892.5 rupees.